A voluntary blood donation camp organized on the birth centenary of former Deputy Chief Minister of the state Baidyanath Majumder. The camp was organized at the staff office next to the Party Sub-Divisional Office under the initiative of CPIM.
A total of 27 people donated blood voluntarily, including Party Divisional Secretary Vishwarup Goswami and 3 DYFI youths. Saiful Islam, Kesab Devrai and Vaishali Bhattacharya donated blood for the first time in their life at the blood donation camp. Reported by Pranav from Agartala, Chini Khorang.